Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to talk about Apple Airpods Pro, which was released back in October 2019, which means it's been here for a while now, but I got a chance to grab this right now. So hear me out. Before this, I was using the original Airpods 1, like I used them like for 2 years, and coming to this was my obvious choice. And there's a night and day difference between both the devices, like genuinely, because I used both of them. So to start off, we should see the price, as this thing, they cost twice the amount of the original AirPods like right now. So if you have a will to spend this much, then I should start, because every expensive thing is not great. Starting off with the design, it's best in class, like still so compact and easy to use, and very important, easy to carry, because you have this thing, and this thing is having a noise cancellation technology inside it. So you better appreciate the size, because only Apple can make something this great with this size. It can go anywhere you want, even in your smallest pocket in your jeans right now. Your shirt pocket, yes. Your smallest bag zipper, yes. So size is something that I have no problem with at all. Moving on to the AirPods itself, if you will look closely inside your box, you might find this ear tips. Yes, ear tips, which Apple sells them like for 700 rupees. So don't you lose them. So coming back to the ear tips, you have 3 different sizes: small, medium and large, and in default they will be coming with the medium ones. So if your ears don't like the original AirPods, I mean if they don't fit in your ears, AirPods Pro can guarantee you this, that they will fit in your ear, which is a very big thing, because Apple is actually making you believe that whatever or however your ear is, this pair of earphones will fit. And I fall into the category where everything fits in my ear, and this thing fits tight, which is absolutely amazing. I went with the small ones as my ears are damn small, but you get my point. As per your size, and to confirm your size, you can actually go on Bluetooth settings and then click on your AirPods Pro. Then you might see this option where you can see this, that it will run an ear tip fit test. Apple will run a test and then it will tell you about the seal, like in my case it's just fine. I remember when I used to use original AirPods, because of the plastic ear tips, I used to take them off like for a second and then used to put it back in ears, because you cannot wear plastic for long duration. And I have this amazing habit where I fall asleep wearing my AirPods, but thanks to the AirPods Pro, this silicone ear tips are damn comfortable. Like you can wear this for hours, and I guess this is where things start to get different for the Pro versions. Firstly, the silicone tips, which is comfortable. Second being the size of the buds. Don't look this big in your ears, which make them look more clear and clean, I guess. And because of the silicone, they fit just right in your ears. So the highlighting feature of this device is noise cancellation. So let's talk about that. Now you have 3 modes to be exact: noise cancellation, off, and transparency. Let's talk about off first. So in this, AirPods Pro are no pro, they are just acting and sounding like the original AirPods. I guess a bit better than the original one. And in transparency, you can actually hear, or you can listen the audio from the outside. Like you can use this mode while you are walking in a traffic and you want to hear everything, and also you want to listen to the song. It allows background sound to enter, like you can hear car horns, people talking on the side, noise of the fan, AC, and with that also your own song. And at times, like in public areas, you need this because you need to be aware of your surrounding, like while driving, and man, this feature works like 9 out of 10 times. And now coming to noise cancellation, as soon as you will turn on that, you will feel this suction around your inner ears. You know that feeling, when plane just takes off and then you have this weird suction in your ears. Yes, it's just that only. And it works like champ. I tried out for myself while driving my bike, in public places, even in your own room, even in gym. It works great on gym when the bad gym music is playing. You can actually use this feature right now to test it out. I mean, you will not even feel the sound of fan too. This is how good it works. And I haven't talked about the sound quality yet. I guess it's just better than the AirPods, but when you use transparency and noise cancellation, this thing feels damn premium, and for sure way better than the AirPods. So yes, sound quality is way good. You can feel the bass like every second, and for sure this was missing in the original AirPods. So this stem size design can actually do a lot more than just being in your ears. You can actually long press to switch between different audio modes, and you can use this vibration thing. You will feel this. So if you will single press, you will pause the song, double press will change the track, and triple press will just reverse the song. And yes, as you can see, it connects like instantly as soon as you will open the box, and as soon as you will put or you will take one out, it will pause and will play as soon as you will put it back. And Hey Siri wakes the Siri up, but boy, you cannot control the volume from the buds itself. You have to tell Siri or you have to do it manually using your phone, which hurts the most as this is the Pro model and still you cannot do that. Battery is something that I never had any problems with. Apple claims 24 hours with the case, and I guess it's near that only. So it has like wireless charging capabilities, which is a good sign, and also you have lightning port, but charging is something that I will not talk about because for most of us this is not at all an issue. So far no complaints, right? But I have some, and hear me out. Even though this case feels premium, why it's so easy to get scratched? Like you can do some damage to this in few weeks in normal use, and sometimes buds don't get fit in this case. Like you have this, you have to redo it again. If you are paying this much, this small things matter too. And you see this sensor, yes, if you will rub your hands there, like I don't know why I did that, but you can actually feel the scratch sound when you scratch something. Why it's coming from the birds, I don't know. It could be just with my device also, but I checked of my friends also, and this was happening in them too. And also when I'm not using any mode, sometimes I feel or I sense this suffocation near my ears. Then I immediately needs to take it out, or I need to switch to transparency mode to take it off a few seconds. I feel because of tight fit, you start to experience suffocation sometimes. I don't know about others, but it did happen with me. And well, I saw other videos in YouTube complaining about connection issues. I didn't had any so far right now, so I don't have any problems there. But yeah, there you have it. AirPods Pro are expensive but a private device for you, which works great for workouts, board meeting in public, and with Apple ecosystem, it's going to get even better. And yes, there is a difference between an original AirPods and a Pro one, and that price margin gap for me is worth it. With that being said, I hope you all like this video, and again, I am AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.